Hey folks! Looking for a way to elevate your content with professional quality audio? Meet AudioHero, the ultimate solution for creators who need premium soundtracks and effects without breaking the bank. With over 300,000 royalty-free music tracks and sound effects, AudioHero offers unlimited downloads and licenses for any project, whether it's a YouTube video, podcast, or video game. Its advanced AI-powered search helps you find the perfect match for your vibe, while curated playlists and weekly updates keep your options fresh. Don't settle for less. Transform your projects with AudioHero and create content that stands out effortlessly. What is AudioHero? AudioHero is your ultimate solution for premium, royalty-free music and sound effects. With a library of over 300,000 tracks, it caters to content creators, videographers, and podcasters who want top-quality audio without breaking the bank. Whether you're looking for cinematic soundtracks, immersive effects, or upbeat tunes, AudioHero makes it easy to find the perfect match. Advanced AI-powered search tools let you upload an audio file to discover similar sounds or filter by genre, mood, and tempo. With unlimited downloads and lifetime licensing, AudioHero ensures you have all the audio resources needed to elevate your projects effortlessly. Exclusive lifetime offers on appsumo. Don't miss out. Regular official pricing is over $196, but at appsumo, you're getting this at only $99. And here's the kicker, it's a one-time payment. Now, let's take a closer look at all the features you'll get with this amazing deal. Plans and pricing. Let's break down the deal for you. One-time payment of $99, originally priced at $196. This deal unlocks lifetime access to over 300,000 premium tracks and sound effects. Unlimited downloads with perpetual licensing. Advanced AI search and curated playlists. Adobe Premiere extension for seamless integration. And don't forget you get a 60-day money-back guarantee. So, you can try it out for 2 months and see if it's right for you. Features that make AudioHero stand out. Access to 300,000 plus premium tracks and sound effects. Whether you need epic movie-like background music or quirky sound effects like a dog bark, AudioHero has it all. Royalty-free licensing. All tracks come with worldwide rights and can be used in any synchronized production. Unlimited downloads. Download as many tracks as you want, whenever you need them, no extra credits required. Advanced AI-powered similarity search. Got an audio file you love? Upload it, and the AI will find similar tracks that match your vibe. Curated playlists. Discover playlists tailored to different genres, moods, and occasions, perfect for brainstorming or inspiration. Filter by genre, mood, and tempo. Whether you want something upbeat or soothing, the advanced filters have you covered. Weekly updates. Fresh tracks are added every week, ensuring your projects never feel outdated. People who can benefit from AudioHero. Content creators, videographers, podcasters, game developers, marketers, event organizers, teachers and trainers. Do you fit the bill, or know someone who does? Dive into the world of AudioHero and watch your projects come to life. Claim your 10% bonus discount on appsumo. Got your eyes on the AudioHero lifetime deal over at appsumo? Well, guess what? I've got some spicy news for you. On top of that sweet $99 deal, there's a way to snag an extra 10% off. Savings on savings. How to grab this deal? Visit appsumo's AudioHero lifetime deal page. Look out for the pop-up bar offering extra discounts. Type in an active email address. Check your inbox for a 10% off promo code. Why wait? Jump in and let those savings roll. Reviews that AudioHero lifetime deal gets. Are you still waiting? So sad. Don't miss out. Secure your lifetime deal now before it's too late. Ready to transform your projects with stunning audio? Dive into the world of AudioHero. Check out the description, explore the features, and grab that lifetime deal before it's gone. If you found this review helpful and are interested in more tech tutorials and reviews, don't forget to hit the like button, share, and subscribe to the channel.